welcome back to her channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Walmart Wednesday!
So today I am joined by my adorable son, and I will be talking to you about a number of things. I'll be talking with you about the best deals going on over at Walmart, how I got all of the Walmart items completely free and made $8 buying it all, as well as some awesome Bed Bath & Beyond deals, and how I've scored some coupons lately. I'm going to give you the inside scoop on that as well. I guess let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to talk with you about the Bed Bath & Beyond first. So, that being said, I posted this deal, almost a week ago now over on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, you can find me at Save with Christina. But these Wild Sage products over at Bed Bath & Beyond are marked down like 80% off. I got candles for like $1.40. I got robes. I saw lots of towels and like dining room stuff. I just didn't need it, so I didn't buy those things. But I noticed they still have these 16-piece sets for $16 on their website. And you can use your 20% off coupon on top of that. So if you need some dishes, or you know a college student who might need some dishes, they've never had any before, super great deal. This was actually shipped to my home for free, and I used my 20% coupon on top of that. So awesome deals at Bed Bath & Beyond. Okay, now, and clearly it's heavy. Okay, before we start talking about the deals, summer's coming to a close, which is why my adorable child is here with me, because I wanted to do a video with him before he goes back to school. So he has survived hanging out this summer with me working a lot, and he's got to come with me to a couple of things, which has been fun. But tell everyone a little bit about like your summer. Have you had a good summer? What were the best things that you did so far?
Well, I love going to the lake. I was recently in the musical Rock of Ages. That was really fun. And there was like 1 week where we got like fry freebies and donuts. It was like amazing.
Yeah, he enjoys the free junk food stuff that we get, because I'm the mean mom who doesn't let him eat a whole bunch of junk food, right? That's just how it goes. Yeah, we do love spending time in the water because where we are is super hot. So if you're outside, you kind of have to be in the water. What about job related? Anything fun that you got to do with me other than free fries day?
We got to get like a cheesecake and 7-Eleven Slurpee.
Oh yeah, that's right. That was interesting. There were a lot of people at 7-Eleven on 7-Eleven for Slurpee Day. So, funny story. Yesterday, my back was hurting. And so I asked him, I'm like, hey, can you walk on my back? Because my back is hurting. So he did. And later, and I didn't think anything of it, right? But later last night, I was looking through my pictures, trying to find a deal, of course. And I see these pictures of him standing on my back. So apparently he was standing on my back taking selfies while standing on my back. I'll pop it up here because it was super funny. Okay, enough about us. Let's get into the deals. Why don't you talk to them about that I bought a freebie? This one right here.
Okay, so this energy drink was $2.38. And with the I bought a freebie, it makes it completely free. And a great boost of energy.
So yeah, it's $2.38. You get $2.38 back on Ibotta, making it completely free. All right, tell us about the nuggets you like.
These nuggets are $4.98, and if you use her link in the description down below, you get a rebate, which makes it a tasty freebie.
Yes, so this one's kind of cool. These nuggets he actually really enjoys. I have a link for you that I'll drop down in the description box as well as in the comments. But what you do is you click on that link, you submit a picture of your receipt, and then they give you the purchase price back into your Venmo. I use Venmo. I think they'll do Venmo or PayPal, but they put the money right back into my Venmo account within like less than 24 hours. Now, double check your Ibotta app because there might be a buy one, get one free. So you could pick up 2 boxes, pay for 2 boxes, submit your receipt to Ibotta and get cash back, then submit your receipt to using that link I have down below, get money back there as well for 1 freebie. So then you end up with 2 for free. So just double check your Ibotta app. Now, minute rice. Tell us about the minute rice.
Okay, so this brown rice is $1.98, and we have another Ibotta deal which gives us 25 cents back, leaving us with a total of $1.73.
So not the best deal, but this is something that we use quite a bit. I think I've mentioned it before. I like these, and they're so simple and fast. And so, of course, I was working towards an Ibotta bonus. I ended up hitting the midweek moneymaker bonus, so I got $3 back there as well. So that more than covered the cost that I paid for this item. So I found some clearance stuff too. Lots of clearance going on at Walmart. Lots of clothing clearance. My app still won't scan clearance correctly, and it's driving me bonkers. I don't know how to fix it, and it's frustrating, and I hate being like, hey, can you check the price on this? Because that's annoying, and it's frustrating. So I'm thinking about getting Walmart Plus. If you have Walmart Plus, drop a comment down below. Let me know if it's easy to scan clearance and get the accurate price, because I'm considering it just for that purpose, but I don't really want to pay for something just to be able to scan clearance. So I'm on the fence about that. Anywho, this was found in the clearance section. Tell us about it.
So this was $4 on clearance, and of course Ibotta gives you a deal which gives you $2 back, which leaves your total at $2.
What was the original cost of that?
$4.
No, $7.98 was the regular price. So it was almost half off, then you get $2 back. So great deal. Talk about fantastic deal. This Glade Warmer, holy moly. So these are $3.48. It attached to 2 different Ibotta rebates, one for $2.50 back, one for $1.75 back, and you can submit your receipt to the coupons.com app for $2.50 back, making it completely free, and a $3.27 moneymaker. So essentially, you could grab this to pay for some of your other food, groceries for the week. Great deal. Did you want to tell them about the pencils?
Sure. So these Ticonderoga pencils are $1.42. Fetch gives you $1.50, which makes it free and an 8-cent moneymaker.
So, give me the pencils.
But there is a limit. You can only buy 3 packs.
He didn't want me to have to say that. So yeah, once I submitted my receipt, I realized I could have done this 2 more times. Hello. So I need to go back to Walmart and get 2 more packs. These are more for like little hands. It's called My First Ticonderoga. And it's a great donation item for us. You wouldn't use pencils this big, right? It's like that jumbo size, like, yeah. So we'll donate these, but shoot, for free, why not? Great deal. Another Fetch freebie. I finally got to the store to get it, were these Temptation Purees. These are $2.63. Submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. You will get $2.63 back. The offer is 100% points back. So whatever you pay for it, that's what you're going to get back in your account. It was just $2.63 at my store. Now, if you're brand new to Fetch, grab it using my referral code and score an additional $2 when you scan that first receipt. So this Cetaphil, is it Cetaphil or Cetaphil? I think it's probably Cetaphil, but I've always said it's Cetaphil. They're $6.97. There is a $4 coupon you can print from their website. So if you do that, you'd pay $2.97 at the register. But then there's a $2.50 rebate on Ibotta, making it just 47 cents. So great deal for a typically very expensive product. Now, Shopkick, I only did a couple of deals this week on the Dove men and the Dove women. These are the small ones at $1.97 each. I did this last week with just the men. My store had the women and the men this time. and the offer increase. So I paid $1.97 for each of them, and then I will get back $3.60 on Shopkick for each of them, making them both free, and $1.63 moneymaker each. So lots of good money makers this week that helps us pay down our groceries. Now I want to tell you about something that I've been working on. I've been working on a article or a blog post over on my website that's going to be how to get coupons for free, or how to get free product coupons. So go ahead and tell us about that milk real quick.
So this milk is $3.98. You get a coupon, which makes it free, and you get $1 back from Ibotta, which makes it free, and $1 moneymaker.
So that free product coupon, let me tell you how I got it. I emailed, and it was this one right here. I emailed Chobani, and I said, hey, do you ever provide coupons to your loyal customers? And they sent me this handwritten note, how sweet, and it had 4 coupons inside. It had a free Chobani oat milk. It had a free single-serve Chobani product, as well as 3 75-cent off coupons. So holy cow. So of course what I did is I held on to those coupons until I saw another deal on them. So this week I saw there was $1 rebate on Ibotta. So it was a great time to go ahead and use that free product coupon. I paid nothing at the register. I had no issues with that coming off at checkout. I was at self-checkout, so the guy had to come by and just approve it, but it went through and showed $3.98. He then just had to approve it. And then I got the $1 back on Ibotta. So I will be posting a how to get free coupons article. I'm hoping by the end of this week, maybe by today, maybe by tomorrow, but check my website, Saving with Christina, and I'm going to tell you all of the companies that responded to my request for coupons and what they gave me. But I'm going to share a few of those with you today. So hand me one. All right, so King's Hawaiian. This one was kind of fun because, again, they sent me a super cute card.
You're blocking my face.
I'm sorry. And we love the King's Hawaiian brand. So that's the thing is, I'm not just going to email like any company, be like, hey, send me cat food. And I don't have a cat. Well, I have friends who have cats, so that will get used. But I emailed companies that we truly love and we buy their products. We buy Chobani all the time. Their plain yogurt, Greek yogurt, is my absolute favorite. And we love the King's Hawaiian rolls. So they sent us 2 coupons for $1 off. They also sent us a sticker, which is fun. And what is this one? This one is a free Ferrara. So it's a number of different candies. So it says 1 free up to $1.50. And it's stuff like Black Forest, Sweet Tarts, Trolley, Now and Later, Laffy Taffy, Lemon Head. That was another one that we got. What's this one? Ooh, Hostess. So now this is not a product that we really buy. I did email additional companies because this is what I do for a living, and I wanted to be able to show you guys what companies responded with coupons. So this one is good for any one Hostess single serve product, and it expires in late September. So that one sent me a freebie as well. Was that all of them? Okay, so I have more. The ones I showed you were the free product ones. I have so many more companies of brands that we use and love that I will be sharing in that blog post, so definitely check that out. My hope is that it will be out within the next couple of days, but I'm also trying to balance my time because this is his last week at home before he is back in school. So I think that's it. So if y'all have any questions on any of these deals, let me know down in the comments below, and I hope you guys are having a great week. Bye.